Good afternoon. So, oh my God, palang pangalawang beses ko nang nire-record to. Pero hindi talaga nare-record yung boses ko kasi hindi ko alam. Maybe somebody is watching me. Ayaw nilang i-record ang mga information na i-share ko dito sa TikTok at saka i-share ko rin to maya-maya sa ibang mga innocent targeted individual. So, may nagtanong sa akin, hindi ko na lang i-expose o sasabihin yung pangalan nila kasi baka baka pag-initan sila. So ito na lang. Sinasabihan ako at nagtatanong sa akin kung ano ba talaga yung sign kung bakit ka tina-target. Okay. Ano ba yung primary goal ng targeting. Okay. So magsimula tayo sa innocent targeted individual. Meaning to say inosente ha. Walang pagkakasala, walang NBI records, wala. Clean. Clean ka sa lahat. Nagiging target ka lang kung pinagtritripan ka ng mga informants ng gobyerno. Okay, pinagtritripan ka. Kahit hindi ka addict, pinagtitripan ka. Kahit hindi ka nalaline up sa mga sindikato, pinagtitripan ka. So nililista nila yon. Yun nagsimula yung buhay mo sa pagiging isang innocenteng targeted individual. Kasi kapag may sala ka talaga, bakit hindi ka nila datakpin sa mga pulis, di ba? So they are going to put you in a program of sacrificial and experimentation. So bakit ko nasasabi yon? Kasi I have been experiencing it for 10 years now. That's why I want to share to each one of you kung papaano nila ito ginagawa. So this is a very horrible tactics program that is legal legal. So maraming tao nakakapera sa'yo through your pain. Okay? But sa kahirapan ng Pilipinas, sa pagkakahirap ng Pilipinas, nagpa-funding talaga sila, no? Nagsiset aside talaga sila ng pera para gawin ang programang ito. The worst part of that is yung mga inosente pa talaga yung kino-collect nila. So so let's continue. So in the Philippines, innocent targeted individual is not known. But in the Philippines, they call it raid baiting. Okay, read this one about raid baiting. Kayo na mag-post ha, i-read nyo ang lahat ng mga information na pinopost ko dito sa TikTok at saka kayo na mag-post. So ito guys, ito yung raid baiting. So this is the modus operandi of them. Okay, kayo na ang mag-post niyan at saka basahin nyo na lang, okay? Call raid baiting or that is a modus operandi nila. So basahin nyo yan at saka makaka-idea kayo kung ano talaga yung gang stalking at paano yun sineset up nila, paano nila hinaharas yung isang innocent targeted individual na parang mababaliw sila. Okay, so hindi talaga sila titigil kapag kapag hindi namamatay, kapag hindi mababaliw yung isang innocent targeted individual. At isa pa, kapag hindi talaga marunong lumaban ng isang innocent targeted individual, talagang mayayari talaga. Especially when they are going to be governed by fear. So kapag naano ka sa programang ito, huwag kayong matakot. So all you have to do is to fight. That's it. All you have to do is to fight. Okay, so anyway, kung sino mang may mga katanungan about gang stalking and electronic harassment, magtanong lang kayo sa akin, okay? At saka, hindi lang ako dito sa Pilipinas, baka sabihin nyo sa akin nag-iimbento ako. Meron ding mga innocent targeted individuals dito sa Pilipinas na tina-target, okay? So, I belong to their group. At saka nag-share kami ng mga thoughts paano lalabanan kasi hindi ko nire-report dito sa sa publicity sa law enforcer natin dito, hindi ko nire-report kasi useless lang na I think I reported them around many times already but hindi nag-work. So in United States of America, sometimes in Europe, they approve it and they see it that is true. I don't want to mess up with the interests of the Philippines kung patuloy pa rin ganito pa rin yung pakikisama nila at saka yung income nila, kung paano nila kumukuha yung mga funding, no. I don't want to mess it up, pero that is illegal in other countries. I'm not sure in the Philippines because I experienced the tyranny in here. So anyway, to those who are experiencing gang stalking and electronic harassment, just email me at maryjanerodilove@yahoo.com. At isa pa, you can contact me in my Facebook also, or even here in TikTok. Okay, so have a nice day and God bless to all of us. Bye.